we will be graphing the function f of x equals negative 2 times 3 to the x. We're going to use the values negative 2 through 2 as listed over here. And as long as we keep our old friend PEMDAS in mind, and here we're evaluating, so we're doing PEMDAS from the top down, like we're going back in middle school, we should have no problems. Let's take this negative 2 and plug it into the function. Negative 2 times 3 to the negative 2. And of course, we need to take care of that exponent first, and it's a negative exponent, so it needs to pop to the bottom. This negative 2 right here is not being spoken to by this exponent. This exponent only applies to the 3. So that negative 2 will stay on the top, but the 3 will go on the bottom, and then the exponent becomes positive. 3 squared, of course, is 9, and we're going to leave our answer just like this, negative 2 over 9. And when we are graphing this on Alex, we can use it with a pair tool and tell Alex to please graph the point negative 2, negative 2 ninths, and it'll put the point where it is supposed to go. And the rest of these are going to look just like that, but I'll walk you through them just the same. Negative 1 plugged in for the x over here will be negative 2 times 3 to the negative 1. This exponent of negative 1 talks just to this 3. It's a negative exponent, so I have to pop it to the bottom. So the top is negative 2, the bottom is 3. And if I were to try to plot this in Alex, I would have an x value of negative 1 and a y value of negative 2/3. For both of these cases, I would not want to use a decimal approximation, because if you round it incorrectly or at all, Alex will tell you it is wrong. So you should really use the fraction tool and just leave these like fractions. Moving on to x equaling 0, I'll have negative 2 times 3 to the 0. Exponents first. That exponent talks just to the 3. Anything to the 0 power is 1. So it becomes negative 2 times 1, which of course is just negative 2. So I have the point 0, negative 2. Plugging in a 1, the exponent of the 1 talks just to the 3. 3 to the first power is 3. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. So if x is 1, y is negative 6. And finally, negative 2 times 3 squared, that exponent of the 2 talks just to the 3. 3 squared is 9. 9 times negative 2 is negative 18. So if the x value is 2, the y value is negative 18. Looking at these different points, we'll plot, well, if we were, like I said, if we were doing this in Alex, we'd go ahead and use the point plotting tool. I don't have that here, so I'll have to go to negative 2 and down just a tiny bit. Negative 2 and down just a tiny bit more. 0, negative 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think, if my eyes are right, 1, 2. Whoops, should be here. And then the last one, 2, negative 18, is falling off the grid. So the graph will go this way, and shoot down like this. As it goes off to the left, it'll approach that x-axis near that asymptote. And that is all. Good luck.